Does a relationship between three systems where each one has bearing on how statements are evaluated within the other two, in other words, without loss of generality, given one has effect on two and has effect on three in some way, this imparts an effect on 2 and 3, related by its uniqueness to 1 and its result in 2 and 3, relating it to 1. A set, on the other hand, doesn't give this possibility. But this does get pretty close to being the same situation. We've created a region, at the very least, and, well, we've at least created a region. And a set is a region where things are grouped together. So I want these two to be the same. I think what I have to do is, I think what's going to happen is, as the connections between the objects become larger and larger numbers, the number of objects in the system increases. I'm going to guess past 3, it's going to be more and more set-like. And so I wonder what happens if this system is fully connected and also minimally connected. When it is maximally connected, a point mu will be confined to one of the regions. Let area identical to A operating with mu, let area equivalent to A operating with mu be the area of AO mu, and that equals 1/4. Let this diagram be equivalent to SO mu, be equivalent to S mu. This is just a definition for S mu based on the diagram, saying they're all completely equivalent, indistinguishable. Let area AO mu be the area AO mu equals 1/4. This means that mu has an error of 3-to-1, but the discords for the area, or the restriction of the discords for area in the system S mu leave delta equals delta equals delta equals delta. Since there are only 4 regions, any area delta possible has only 4 objects. So if I have some operation on a space of delta, then that operation puts out for that delta some restricted number of outputs from that delta. So for me, that establishes that if A is a rule that restricts the discord delta to some delta, then delta to A to delta, orange review, if delta is a pure discord, then it makes sense that from within the system, any line connecting to delta cannot give you another answer that is resonant, or else they would not be of the entropic type. So assuming at the very worst that delta line delta maps to delta, when the operator O equals O in delta O delta and delta O delta, we can take the intersection. That's all about this for now. Just